Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add Google Fonts or really any font to Canva. This quick guide will help your design stand out with custom typography that matches your style perfectly. First, let's grab a font. Open your browser and head over to fonts.google.com. Google Fonts offers an incredible library of free, easy-to-use typefaces. You can filter by categories like serif, sans serif, display, handwriting, and more. So take a moment to find the font that fits your design vibe. Once you've found one you love, click on the font name to see the details, then hit download. The font usually comes as a compressed file, so make sure to extract it before moving on. Next, let's switch to Canva. Keep in mind, font uploads are only available with the Canva Pro account. Sign in, then go to your brand kit from the sidebar. This is where you manage all your fonts, colors, and logos. Inside the brand kit, click Add New, then Upload a Font. Select the font file you just downloaded. Canva supports .otf and .ttf formats. Once uploaded, your font is now part of your brand kit and ready to use in any Canva design. Just open the editor and select it from the font drop-down menu. And that's it. You've just added a Google font or any custom font to Canva. This little tweak can make a huge difference, giving your projects a professional, personalized touch. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and get creative with your designs. Happy designing!